Hello crowns, welcome back to another video. Welcome to our channel. It's not my channel because you are the real MVPs. So in today's video we would be learning, or I'll be teaching you my daily simple makeup routine that I do in case I'm going out, I'm going to work. Something simple that you can also do at home without wasting much time. Please, let's get right into the video. But before that, please, if you are here and you are watching me right now, please, I'm giving you just a second. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, like this video, and then after watching this video, kindly drop your comments or any suggestions in the comment box below. Okay, so please, right now, let's get into the video. We'll be starting with the primer because I've already moisturized my face, and so what I'll be doing today is I'll be using the primer to set up my face. Okay, so I've taken a little primer here which I'll be using for my face, but please pardon me, I'll be using my mirror. I have a mirror here, so I'll be looking down sometimes, so kindly pardon me. So I'm using the primer on my face. Make sure you wrap them in circles, and you have to prime every part of your face, and even your neck is necessary so that you'll be able to block the sweat pores, so that at least you have to look good. So the next step, I'm going to brush my eyebrows. So after using the primer, I'll first draw my brows. So I'm brushing my eyebrow. I know my eyebrow is a bit bushy, but I'll try and then make the brows look good so you can be safe. So after brushing your eyebrows, the next step is to draw your brows, and with the pencil. Make sure your pencil is well sharpened, and for you to get the axe, because the axe is the real deal right here. So I'm trying to draw my eyebrow. You start from the edge, then you go up, and with using your defined eyebrow shape. After you're done, you go in with your we'll call it I've forgotten the name, but you go in with this to dab, just dab. Then you dab here too. Please make sure you get a concealer which matches your skin, so you make a mess out of it. Yeah, so I'll do the same thing to the other eyebrow. So you go in here with the concealer brush, and you go right beneath. As I did to the other eye. This cannot really spread very well. That's why when you are done, to go in with the beauty blender. Yes, this is the beauty blender. I've now removed. So go in there with the beauty just as fast as possible, so that you'll be able to do a makeup when you're stepping out, which you spend with about just 3 or 5 minutes to make up yourself. So I'm going up and I'm going to do the same thing up to get a defined eyebrow. Please, if you have the chance, kindly make sure you trim your eyebrows, because most of the times if you don't trim, just like mine right here, you have a tough time when you're drawing your brows. But then when it's already drawn or when it's already trimmed, it'll be far more easier for you to get the defined shape of your eyebrow. So yeah, I'm done with concealing my eye. So I want to reshape it again with the pencil. So I go in a little bit just to make sure he blending it didn't destroy any mark or the shape of the brow, to make sure it falls in place. So the next thing you do is to go in with this brush for the to brush the eyebrow. Then make sure you blend the pencil or the eyebrows. Make sure it's in line. So you blend it. You blend the pencil into your brows so that you get a defined shape. So the next thing I do personally to speed up my makeup process is to go in first with my foundation. I don't have an oily skin, but some people use the concealer first before the foundation because they have an oily skin which they want to prevent and then make the makeup keep long. So I'm going in with my foundation. So you put the foundation on your face like this, and you go in with your foundation brush. Okay. So you'll be dabbing. Makeup is all about dabbing. You really have to dab you don't have to do this, just dab like this. So we dab the foundation on your skin. That's something simple you can do to save your life when you're doing it. I want to go in with a little dark tone to blend because my neck is a bit darker than my face, so I have to make sure it's also sorted. So then go this way. It's on my neck. Then use the rest for the face, for the eyelid. Next I'll be doing is my eyelid. I've already used the concealer to conceal them, but I want to make it pop a little. So I'll be going in with my eyeshadow palettes. Yes, this video is not sponsored, so I'm not going to mention the name of these colors. Sorry, this is one of my favorite colors, so I want a very nude look. So I go in this way so that it blends with the color, this dark gold. I don't know what. also like this dark gold, so I just put a little here, then I blend it in. Shall spread some to this place and do the same thing. I'm using the same color, gold color. Once the sides of my eyebrow up, so as I'm using the gold for. You can choose any color of your choice, but these are the colors that. With that, you go in with the mascara. We are now come to use the mascara, and then this, and then there's also the eyeliner. So before that, I would want to use the powder on my face. Set the powder on there. This is the powder I'm using, and then I'll be setting it on the foundation I made. Now the foundation is a bit damp, so I'll be putting in the powder on the face. Powder to set the makeup. Why I didn't use the concealer on my nose to create the tall nose effect. It's not too late. You can as well do that, and then maybe use the. You can as well put it. I didn't use the concealer for my face. That's why. Yeah, but it's normally used. People use it to create that. Go in with. Now you'll be going in with your eyeliner first. So the eyeliner goes when I'm going out for work or just going out to meet someone. I don't really use the concealer, so that's why I use it for my face. But so I'm going in with the eyeliner. Not to take your time, else you mess your. Then you go in with your mascara. So with the mascara, just to bring out the eyelash, make it smaller and also firmer or thicker. When you are done this way, the next thing you have to do, or you can do, is to take a pencil. You can get a dark pencil or something, yes, so that it help you define the down part of your eye. Then you just relax. So the next I'll be doing is to line my lip and then use my lipstick. So I'll be going in with this pencil. I want to achieve the nude look and a very simple look, so I'm going in with a very nude look. With the makeup, and so I'm going to use the makeup spray to set the makeup. It goes either in the X direction or you can use the T. So I'm going to use the X. are done. So now it dries and you are good to go. Yeah, take a screenshot. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me, and then also for liking, subscribing, commenting. I appreciate your comments a lot, and I would need more of your comments. And so thanks so much. See you in another video. Peace.